Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how you can find investors on AngelList. So let's jump straight in. If you have a startup, you're going to probably need some funding, and AngelList is a great platform to do so. So you can see over here, we're on the home page, and what you can currently see is how you can build up your portfolio. So what you can do is you can invest directly into startups alongside some of the top VCs. You can also browse and apply to invest in venture funds. You can also subscribe quarterly and adjust your investment size as your goals change and evolve. Then we have the wish list, which you're allowed to build your investment wish list, and you'll get notified when there's an opportunity. So basically what you're going to be doing is building your portfolio. So you want to add investments, you want to create a wish list that looks inviting. And basically what you're going to do is you are going to build all of your company or your startup data, and somebody is going to come across your startup, and if it's inviting enough, your startup will then be something that's considered for investment. So the first step is going ahead and making sure that you are building your portfolio to make sure that your portfolio looks good and your startup looks plausible. There you go. It's just a quick guide on how to find investors on AngelList. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time.